And then separate the white.
Separate the white from the
18 and 18, yeah. 18.
对18个鸡蛋啊。
Yes. 1小时产能是8000美。
8000.
8000。
1 hour.
8,000.
8,000.
Okay. So what is the first for this? 这个多少钱？这个价格。11万。
16万8。
16万8。160,000 RMB. $20,000 more already.
毛刷清洗，而且一边走一边刷，上面有循环水，就是往下冲干线嘛。
It cleans up the egg,
Cleans
right?
up, yeah.
这就有个吹干，然后再去敲
And
干。
then it cleans up and then dries them up and then goes into the...
So you load up, can you show this? You load up the eggs in here, right? And then this belt conveyor thing picks the eggs up, rolls them up, yeah. Cleans them, washes them in here, and then rolls out there to get cracked.
Because European people like the
expensive
hard,
bread.
no, they like eating hard bread. The bread is a little bit harder. And if we use gas, we will have it has hot air circulating inside, and the bread will be a little bit harder.
I think they're confusing something.
Yeah.
Oil spring.
So they kind of pack them up on there, you see that?
Yeah.
And then it goes all the way on the conveyor belt and then gets into the oven, right? Once they time then it's done, then it comes out. Right, like it hits this kind of here.
This is the product will on here, and the tray will. 上面
You get it?
No.
What? You didn't get it?
No. The product will come up. The finished product will come up.
See that? It's upside down up there. You see that? It flips it upside down so it drops.
Oh, okay. So like this, it will rotate, yeah?
Yeah.
It will rotate and then flips upside down and comes from here. So where do I take it out? Do I take it out manually? By hand?
No.
Here it drops?
Yeah, also we'll have a
Like
machine
a
after
container or
this.
something, yeah. So it's like there's an
Yeah.
extension, the machine.
Oh, okay. Okay.
But they're trying to say this is
So is it fully automated? Fully automated. 全自动吗？
Yes, it is fully automatic. And for whole, this is not a whole production. 800, 7 or 8 million RMB.
RMB, 8
Seven.
million.
8 million RMB.
7-8 million
It is
RMB.
cheaper than before.
Full
Really?
production
Yeah,
line.
cheaper than before.
Promotion.
That's like $1 million, right?
Generally speaking.
So it comes with the mold, right?
Yeah, I think it's yeah.
It comes with the tray, all of it. So you only have this size, or you can make any
Yeah,
size.
we can
according to
customize.
what's- Okay,
Different, yeah.
Different.
got it. So this gotta get in there. See that? It sits on there. It picks it up, flips it, and then drops it on the other side.
And let me send you some videos.
Sure.
And we are direct manufacturer, so the price will be really low. Really good price.
So you guys, this is
For the pastry.
mixing the dough, right?
Pastry, yeah.
Again, but it's just for mixing.
And you can press.
Okay, mixing and press.
And the cut. And the layer.
Okay, layer. Different shapes, different sizes.
Yeah, customize. And the thickness you can adjust.
Okay. So you have to mix the dough separately, then you put the dough.
Yeah.
I
So
wanted to see the cutting one to see what shapes and designs.
Yeah, you
can
just
make.
want a cutting one, right?
No, I just wanted to see, right? Because that's the more interesting part.
Here.
okay,
Max. This is max size.
right.
400, 300,
Okay.
580.
Okay. 40万，40万
400,000.
，400,000 RMB. Okay. Yeah. 400,000.
它这个是有上胶在这里，然后它这一台是没有胶水的，
没有胶水
对，
，no glue.
它
Okay.
没有胶水。
Feeding machine.
Okay.
The feeding machine will push the flour into the tank.
Oh.
Do you have that too? The
Yeah,
feeding machine?
yeah, yeah,
So you have the complete line.
yeah. We can make it a complete line.
All right. So how many kilograms of flour?
You know this one?
Yeah.
150公斤。
Maybe like 150 kilograms.
你 this one is some.
Yeah. They say 150 kilograms, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
mix. Comes out. Cut.
Yeah.
How long? Yeah, no worries.
Technical people.
Yeah.
It's all like
that's the thing,
taken
that's the
apart,
problem, know if
different
it's-
parts.
Yeah, you
Right.
wonder if it's faster than manual people using their hands. That's the whole point of automation, right?
So like if I use the whole entire production line, how many people I
to
can cut
control the
off?
machine.
Yeah.
No, I mean I can cut off. Like
Cut off.
originally it's all made by hand, but now I replace. How many people do I replace with the machine? Right?
You gotta call Alba. The technical
It's a
guys.
tech
Yeah,
people.
technical guys.
Technician.
他不说呢，他说如果你那个大的话，我可以给你包邮，就他给我报的那个价格。
Oh, you only have this type.
可以，我上面的模具可以。
Oh, change the mold. Yeah, yeah, this is the finished product.
It's like a small size.
Packaging.
Yeah,
You
you
have the packaging too?
packaging. We can
You can
forward
source
you,
it.
but not from our company. Yeah.
Okay.
Just put the
So
raw
that's where you put the
material
raw materials,
Yeah.
right? Then it mixes it.
mixed and from
How much flour?
模具还是什么？
这模具出来直接出来那边是那个是
Okay.
把柄定型。
Then it goes through here.
你看，等一下，这个
Yeah, from there.
Okay. Got it. And then it goes
Yeah.
through.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And big.
And then you bake it.
Yeah.
Okay.
差不多就9万8，就是
9万吧。
98,000。
98,000, right? 98,000. 98,000.
You know Chinese very well.
A little bit.
Yeah,
Right.
this is the US dollar.
14,000, right?
Yeah.
Right, so what's the capacity for this?
it's 500 liters.
Kilograms. How many kilograms?
Liters maybe to cook around 250.
250 kilograms.
Yeah, almost half.
So you come out at expensive. How long do you get a complete mix? How much
mix.
time? Yeah, to get a complete
It will
mix.
depend on the feature of your product.
Bread.
What?
Toast.
Yeah?
Bread. 面包 Toast.
面包。
吐司。
哦，吐司那个面包馅吗？
Yes.
对。
Maybe like 50 minutes.
50 with 50.
Yeah, no, 15.
15.
Yeah.
15 minutes.
Yeah, you can choose the other time. You can choose the other time.
Oh, there are. Okay.
What is the capacity do you need for one batch?
For one bag, 150 kg. Okay, 150 kg. Because in my country, one bag is 50 kg, one bag. So 3 bags should be okay.
But the product is light.
Yeah.
It will take more.
Yeah.
It will take more. Yeah. You see this mixing style? It
Yeah.
will flip material from the
bottom up
to the up. Yes.
Okay, I can see that.
Yeah. This is called planetary mixer.
Planetary mixer.
Yeah.
So you can change speed, right?
Yeah. Speed is adjustable. There's speed plus, speed minus.
That was 200 kilograms. What's the capacity for this?
This one is a 300 liters. With this edge, 350.
250 liters.
Yeah. It's called temperature.
Okay, so you take this out, then you tilt it.
Yes. Yeah.
That makes a lot of sense.
You don't need heating.
No. That's really cool.
We have a customer in Iraq ordered from us 7 units without heating.
Yeah.
He used to mix in salad.
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 Oh yeah, salad. You don't need mixing for salad. Meat for salad.
This will be salad
Oh, okay.
sauce.
Oh yeah. That looks like chocolate.
Yeah, maybe some paste, some salad sausage.
Yeah. This is pure stainless steel.
Yeah, stainless 304.
Okay, so no rust, nothing.
Yeah, no rust. Even for the frame, for the support,
Oh, stainless
everything.
steel.
Yeah.
Does it need a little maintenance? Like maybe every month you need to do something in terms of maintenance? But not much.
Not much necessary. Maybe like this, like this one.
Yeah.
Every 2 months you open, you apply
Grease.
the grease, and
That
also
should be okay.
here we will provide you the greasing gun.
Okay,
You know,
you-
it's
okay.
very easy to fill.
Gotcha.
Maybe every 6 months like this. And there's hydraulic. You need to check every month. Check the oil level.
Okay.
The oil level.
Okay.
Yeah. It's around $7,500.
$7,000.
$500.
Is that with VAT or no VAT?
What is that? No, it excluded.
Just factory price.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Definitely for your export, all this is gonna be in English.
Yeah, yes, of course.
And this.
It's all English. Yeah. This is the machine for all customers we manufacture and we bring here. Because we have new machines in stock only for the English. And also we have PLC also English.
The setting. Yeah,
Yeah.
English.
Okay.
Can you make
English.
Russian?
Yeah, we can,
Oh,
but
I know.
you give us the language.
Language, okay.
Yeah, we can
Yeah,
put
okay.
English language.
Oh, this
Siemens.
is from Siemens. right?
Yeah, Siemens, yes. Yes, Siemens. If you need China brand, no problem.
去，然后经过我们这个专利的布袋的抖动，然后布袋都是定期就是因为咱们在用版权。
This one, yes, because some raw materials it has some metal scratch,
Oh, okay.
so it will separate the materials and the metal raw materials. This system is just for the flowers, and for the sugar is another system. Because the sugar normally they use the grounded sugar and
Grounded
will
sugar, yeah.
milling, so that this is the sugar. So 1 bag of the sugar will pour to this machines and store it in the tank and milling, grinding into
Great,
the
yeah.
powder, and this is automatic weighing and discharge to the mixer machine.
Just the sugar.
Yeah, it's just
Just
the
the
sugar.
sugar. Okay. So can you see them after you separate? Can you see the metal pieces and the dirt? Can you see them?
Yes, we can open it and can see some the metal scraps inside and separate them, clean it.
So there's a filter here, right?
Yeah. We will filter here and we after today work and we can open it and clean it.
Clean it out.
The magnet.
Yeah.
It draws the magnet. To the magnet.
Okay.
The metal parts.
There's
will be picked up.
magnets, right?
Yeah.
That catches the metal part.
Yes.
I'm kind of surprised there's so much metals in flour, really.
Flour is less, but some also have. But the sugar is much more.
Much more.
Yeah.
So it only filters two things: flour, sugar, nothing
sugar
else.
also have this one.
So you can't do anything else, no other ingredient, only flour and sugar.
But now we only, but some the chocolate also use this one.
Chocolate flour, right?
Yeah,